ട്രീറ്റ്മെൻറ്റ് ഓർഗനൈസർ ഗ്രേഡ് 2 പ്രീവിയസ് ഇയർ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് 23/2023 കാറ്റഗറി നമ്പർ ആണ് നമ്മളിന്ന് ചർച്ച ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ദ മോസ്റ്റ് ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻ്റ് ഇൻസ്പിറേറ്ററി മസിൽ ഓഫ് ദ റെസ്പിറേറ്ററി സിസ്റ്റം. ഓപ്ഷൻസ്: സ്റ്റെർണോയിഡ് മസ്റ്റോയിഡ്, എക്സ്റ്റേണൽ ഇൻ്റർകോസ്റ്റൽ മസിൽ, ഇൻറ്റേർണൽ ഇൻ്റർകോസ്റ്റൽ മസിൽ, ഡയഫ്രം. ആൻസർ: diaphragm. Identify the bone which is part of the thoracic cage. Radius: sternum, femur, tibia. Sternum. Primary site of gas exchange in the lungs: trachea, pleura, alveoli, bronchi. 3. Alveoli. Most common organ affected by tuberculosis in human body: lungs, heart, brain, liver.
Lungs.
Answer: lungs. Membrane covering the lungs: pleura, peritoneum, meninges, synovium.
Pleura.
5. Pleura. Maximum number of oxygen molecules that can be carried by hemoglobin molecule:
4.
1, 2, 3, 4. Answer: 4. Volume of air inhaled or exhaled during the normal respiration is known as tidal volume, vital capacity, inspiratory reserve volume, inspiratory capacity. Tidal volume. Oxygen is transported in blood bound to haptoglobin, myoglobin, hemoglobin, hemosiderin.
Hemoglobin.
8. C. Hemoglobin. The site where oxygen is utilized in human body is lungs, heart, cells, blood. Cells. Oxygen is transported in the blood by red blood corpuscle, white blood corpuscle, platelet, neutrophil.
WBC. White blood corpuscle.
No.
Platelets.
No.
Red blood corpuscle.
Answer: red blood corpuscle. Silicosis is associated with the increased risk of malaria, tuberculosis, filariasis, amoebiasis. Answer: tuberculosis. Particulate size of air pollutants causing greatest harm to human health: particulate size less than 2.5 μm in diameter, particulate size greater than 5 μm in diameter, particulate size greater than 10 μm in diameter, particulate size greater than 25 μm in diameter. Answer:
particulate size less than 2.5 μm in diameter.
All air pollutants except sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, nitric oxide, nitrogen.
Nitric oxide.
Answer: nitrogen.
Nitrogen.
Which of the following statement is correct? Bacillus is an occupational lung disease. Bacillus is caused by tobacco smoking. Bacillus is lung disease caused by tuberculosis. Bacillus is lung disease caused by drowning.
Option D.
Bacillus is lung disease caused by drowning. Lung disease caused by sandblasting: silicosis, bacillus, asbestosis, siderosis. Main symptom of patient with occupational lung disease: chest pain, breathlessness, sputum production, sputum production, hemostasis. Answer: breathlessness ആണ്. Main symptom of patient with occupational lung disease, breathlessness. Measures taken to reduce vehicular air pollution include of the following expect: use of leaded petrol, phasing out old vehicles, application of stringent pollution control norm in vehicles, reducing the sulfur and aromatic content in petrol and diesel. Measures taken to reduce vehicular air pollution include all of the following expect. Answer A ആണ് use of leaded petrol. Rich source of protein for TB patients include all except milk, rice, egg, fish.
Milk.
Rich source of protein for TB patient include all except is rice. Food to be avoided by TB patient include all except alcohol in any form, carbonated drink, excess tea and coffee, milk and eggs.
Option E.
Option D, milk and eggs ആണ്. Food avoided by TB patient include all excepts.
ഇതെല്ലാം അക്സെപ്റ്റ് ഒഴിവാക്കിയിട്ട് ഇത് മാത്രം കഴിക്കാൻ പറ്റും. മിൽക്ക് ആൻഡ് എഗ്സ്.
Most important risk factor for tuberculosis in India: HIV, diabetics, mellitus, smoking, undernutrition. Most important risk factor of
undernutrition.
Undernutrition can be due to deficit in intake of calories, protein, micronutrient, all of the above. Recommended nutritional counseling for TB patient is intake of tonics, exotic important fruits like kiwi, locally available nutrient rich food, commercial food supplement. 22 C. Locally available nutrient rich food. Means of artificial respiration includes all of the following expect: mouth to mouth breath, bag mask ventilation, mechanical ventilation, inhaler therapy. Ratio of chest compression to artificial breathing, cardiopulmonary resuscitation. 30:2. Step in mouth to mouth breathing include all of the following expect: tilting back the head of the victim, pinching the nose of the victim, blowing breath 5 inches above the mouth of the victim, sealing the rescuer's mouth over the victim's mouth.
Option C. Blowing breath 5 inches above the mouth of the victim.
Immediate cause of death: drowning. Aspiration of water into stomach, aspiration of water into larynx or lungs, limb injury, none of the above.
Option B.
Aspiration of water into larynx and lungs. 26 none of the above ആണ് ആൻസർ. നോക്കണം. ഇമ്മീഡിയറ്റ് കാസ് ഓഫ് ഡെത്ത്: ഡ്രോണിങ്. ആൻസർ നൺ ഓഫ് ദ അബോവ് ആണ്. Resuscitation of drowning victims include all of the following expect: move the person out of water, chest compression, warming with clothes or blankets, abdominal compression to remove water from stomach.
Option C. Warming with clothes or blankets.
Option D. Abdominal compression to remove water from stomach. Resuscitation of drowning victim includes all of the following expect: number of the chest compression to be done per minute when resuscitating drowning victims.
വയറ്റിലമർത്താൻ പാടില്ല.
ഇത് നോക്കി അത് ഓക്കെ അല്ല. Number of the chest compression to be done per minute when resuscitation drowning victims. 75 per minute, 30 per minute, 60 per minute, 100 to 120 per minute.
ബി അല്ലെങ്കിൽ സി ആയിരിക്കും.
എന്നാൽ ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി ആണ് ആൻസർ. 100 to 120 മിനിറ്റ്
നമ്പർ ഓഫ് ചെസ്റ്റ് കംപ്രഷൻ ടു
per minute. Resuscitation of drowning victims include all of the following expected: calling for help when you are the lone rescuer, bringing out the victim from water by yourself when you are not confident swimmer, check for spontaneous breath, start cardiopulmonary resuscitation as early possible if there is no pulse or breath.
ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി.
Bringing out the victim from water by yourself where you are not a confident swimmer. Artificial respiration can be given in which location? In well-equipped intensive care unit, in primary health centers, at any place by a trained person, all of the above.
ഓൾ ഓഫ് ദ എബവ്.
C അല്ലേ ആൻസർ?
ഓൾ ഓഫ് ദ എബവ്.
All of the above ആണ് ആൻസർ. What is the ideal location for sputum collection? Sputum collection. Inside the doctor's clinic, inside the laboratory, outdoors or in a well ventilated area, the patient's bathroom with the door closed.
Inside the laboratory.
Outdoors or in a well ventilated area. Which of the following? Option A, 5 ml of mucopurulent sputum. Before the TB health visit is finished, the patient's wife notes that the TB patient has started drinking alcohol heavily again after years of sobriety and asks for you to provide advice about the patient's alcohol use disorder. What should you advise? Identify triggers of the alcohol use and recommended strategies for minimizing contacts with these triggers. Tell him that he is at fault for the drinking and state that you will no longer see him at follow-up visits unless the stops drinking. Advise him to eat before drinking to blunt the effects of alcohol. Option D, A, B and C.
Option A.
Option A. Identify triggers of his alcohol use and recommended strategies for minimizing contacts with these triggers. Which of the following is true under nutrition and TB? Undernutrition is a risk factor for TB. Tuberculosis can lead to undernutrition. Undernutrition is associated with adverse outcomes in TB patients. All of the above.
All of the above.
All of the above. What is the theme of World Tuberculosis Day 2022? Invest to end TB, save lives. The clock is ticking. It's time. It's time to end the stigma.
Option A.
Invest to end TB, save lives. Which one of the following statements is correct about TB? People suffering from HIV are prone to acquire tuberculosis. DOTS is a directly observed treatment short course. In anti-tuberculosis treatment, hepatitis or liver disease is a common side effect. Medication for drug-sensitive TB is administered for 6 to 8 months.
Option 1, 2, 3 and 4.
C.
Option 2
C,
and 4.
2 and 4 are correct.